We'll guide you through how to use status change automation on Monday.com. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing Monday.com. Go to Monday.com and wait for the homepage to load completely. Click Go to My Account to open the sign-in page. Choose the login method that you want to use. For this example, sign in with your email address. Enter your email address in the required field and make sure it is correct before continuing. Type your password into the password field carefully to avoid login errors. Click Login to access your Monday.com account. Open the board that you want to use for this automation. If you have not created a status change automation yet, click Automate at the top of the board to open the Automation Center. Choose the automation template that you want to use. For this example, click Use Template on the when status changes to something, move item to Group Automation Template. Click the Status section to configure the automation trigger. Select the status column that you want to use as the trigger. For this example, select Status from the available columns. Click the Something section to choose the status value that will activate the automation. Choose a status value according to your needs. For this example, select Done as the trigger value. Click the Group section to define where the item should be moved after the status changes. Select the destination group where you want the item to be moved and confirm that the correct group has been selected. Click Create Automation to save your configuration and enable the automation for your board. You have now successfully created the status change automation. Return to the main table view so you can test the automation that you just created. To use the automation, change the status of a task to Done. You can now see that the task is automatically moved to the destination group.